Hey, so in this video, we're going to use the Google Translate function to translate some text from English to French, Spanish, and Chinese. So, what this function allows us to do is take any text and translate it into a different language. Very good for products or any type of content you're trying to generate. So, in the function bar, we're going to go equals Google Translate. And we're going to select B2, then we're going to do comma, and then we're going to do quote, EN for English, end quote, then we're going to do comma, quote, F4, another quote, and then close brackets. And then what this will do will translate from English to French for us. So once we drag this down, we can see all the translations. If you want to do Spanish, instead of F4, we can do ES, and this will go from English to Spanish. Again, I will drag it down. And last example is, let's do Chinese, which is ZH-CN in return. And this will take the text from English to Chinese for us. And that is how we use Google Translate function.